Hi everybody. Well, it's windy. I don't know if I can produce a video walking down this lane in the wind. As I walk further down, it might get windy and disturb my voice on here so that you can't hear me, don't know. I just wanted to have a chat with you about, well, survival. You know, life. How do you survive this world and all its troubles and strifes? And I'll tell you, I'm 75. Well, I will be 75 in a few days. And when I was young and I was in the world of work as a young'un, it was horrendous. I thought, is this it for the rest of your life? Is this what it's all about? And I realised that the best way to survive in this world is to live cheap. Live as cheaply as you can live so that you don't have to work hard. You know, I work for people and they had a business, they were running these businesses with these people who I worked for. And it didn't matter how hard you worked, they always needed you to work harder because they couldn't make enough money they always needed more money than they were getting to keep it going. I just heard recently that Amazon are losing billions just because the cost of diesel, the cost of labour has gone up. What else? There were 3 things. And you'd think that a powerful organisation like Amazon could survive anything. But they're always on the edge. And that's because they grow bigger and bigger and bigger. Their expenditure grows out of all proportion. And if they don't keep getting the money in, they just get swallowed up by their expenses. And it's like I say, if you live cheap, and then you don't have to work hard to survive. You can work at your own pace to survive because your expenditure's low. Keep out of debt and manage on as little as possible. And that's how I've lived all my working life. Well, not all of it, because I suppose I had to work for other people, but I soon realised when I come out of the army and I started working for people again, that was not the way to go. So I went on my own and I worked at my own way, and I found a way of becoming a piano tuner, tuning pianos at my own pace. I didn't try and do tons of pianos in a day and so that I could have a flash car and a massive house. My idea was, how few pianos can I survive on? How few pianos do I have to tune to survive? And I used to do 2 a day. And it meant that my life was tranquil. I wasn't charging around. All right, I wasn't making loads of money, but I wasn't in debt and I was surviving. All right, I didn't have a massive pension. But when you think of what you have to do in life to get a whacking great pension, is it worth it? Well, anyway. I could have had a pension if I'd sold Rodley on market value instead of more or less giving it to my daughter, but I'd rather have done that. So, yeah, but this is what we're doing now. We're still doing it. Live as cheaply as you can, and then you don't have to charge around. You can take it easy. Just live a quiet life, peaceful life, stressless life. I mean, you won't escape trouble in life. We all have trouble in life. You know, you'd have to go out of this world to escape trouble. But you can make it as peaceful and tranquil and slow moving as you can by living in a particular way. And I think, I'm not boasting, I think I've done it. We live on, and what are we living on now? Two of us are living on £230 a week. You know, and that we're living like this. Look where I am. Imagine how much it would cost to live here. To live in a house here in Somerset. More than I've got. So, yeah. Oh, okay, just thought I'd share that with you. Don't know what you'll make of it. Alright, see you later.